Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Samir Sardar and this is the fifth tutorial of this series where we discuss all the basic concepts of JavaScript. And yesterday we see lot of JavaScript method where I told that we will discuss uh, all these things in very details. So today we talk about the concatenation in JavaScript. So before going to discussion, I want to open my VS Code. So I open my VS Code. So these 15 string method we will discuss. So we start with string.concatenate. So I already told that in JavaScript you can write string within the double quote or single quote. So I create two string for their first name equal to Shamal and their last name equal to Sardar. And if I want to confident with both the string, then we use class operator for that. So if I write like that, uh, console.log first name plus last name, then run that code use code.this. So it will give the right output. So if there is another or more string, then we can also concatenate with classes like console.log. My name is first name plus last name. So that's how we can concatenate uh, more than two or three string with plus operator. It has a one problem. So if you forget about this space, like here I give an space. So if I remove and if I run right now, then you see that they don't create any space. So and this is the problem of the class operator. So it's okay. So you have to remember. So for that, that is another way you can create space for that. You have to add space here, and again you have to write task for that. And here also you need to create same thing for spacing. So now it is give the right output. Yeah, it is now they give the right output. So there is another way which is inbuilt method string.concatenate. In this method also we can concatenate more than two string three string. So how it is work? So let's see. So it's work like that. We want concatenate with first name to last name. So it's work like that. Console.log first name concatenate with last name. Okay. And if I run that node cute4.js, so it's also clear the same problem. It's clear that it don't give the proper space for that. So here we can pass a lot of string. So for that we pass first as a space, and then the second is the last one. Now it is uh, give the proper space. So concrete to work like that. So uh, like that in concrete you have to pass more than more than one any argument 1 2 3 4 5 whatever your choice you have to pass any argument. So there is another way to write concatenation in JavaScript that is I use mostly in my programming, and I also recommend that you also use for that. So here you see that if I for example I use plus operator for that. So for example, here I write console log my name is my name is my name is okay, first name, and I need to give space because otherwise it is uh, not structure. So I give space, and also then I give the last name. If I want to give another thing like dot, and if I want to add more string like and my age is like that. So again I have to write. So for example, here is an age where age is 25. So my age is plus age. So this is work like that. Mhm. Here we use lot of plus and double quotes. So that if I run node tude4.js, so it's yeah, my name is Samal Sadar and my age is 20. But it is not a better way to write this code. It is a very I don't like actually. So better way to write using the template. It is a modern way to write in a string. We can write variable in a string. So for that you need to use backtick for that. So console and dot log we use backtick, and same thing we write within that backtick like my name my name is. And if you want to use any variable within the template string, then you need to use dollar sign and curly bracket. Within the curly bracket, you need to define that variable. So I use first name and my name is Saman. And again, I want to use my last name. So same and my age is uh, again I want to use that variable. So age. You see the difference. That is how clear it is. And there is lot of plus operator, double quote, single quote. So it's both are give the same answer, and yeah, both are give the same answer. So this is the better way to write better code. I also recommend you to write this. So today we discuss about the concatenation, and in the next video we discuss others method. So I hope you understand the concatenation, how to concatenate to remove string. So thank you guys to watching this video, and we will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.